Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time, smile my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over, we'll be dancing round the tree. So let us have a swinging Christmas just like...
G'day guys, welcome back, it's Pierre from Simple Home Brew. I'm doing beer number 23 to 23rd of December 2021. We've got 2 days till Christmas and 1 day to the end of this calendar. I have some information for you. Funny enough, as I've been doing this, I've been given a lot of comments in my videos on information to advise me on what I don't, or teaching me how to understand beer lingo, I guess. Anyway, just a couple of videos back, I was talking about the carbonation in my beers. And thank you to Daniel Law for giving me a heads up on these Headmaster glasses that I just bought. They have, I'll show you, little horizontal and vertical lines in the base inside the glass, if you can see them clearly. So his explanation on it was, if you have Headmaster glasses, they have nucleation points etched into the base of the glass to create more bubbling through my glass. So I'd like to thank Daniel Law for giving me that information. It's invaluable, all this little bits of information. It just makes brewing, or makes the education on this better and better. And I hope you guys get something out of it as well. Anyway, we're going to try our beer. It's a Magic Pudding. It's 5.8% ABV. And it's from, now some of you might know this, Sailor's Grave Brewing. Now, Sailor's Grave Brewing, I have actually heard of this before. This one's getting a bit damp. It's got a bit of moisture because it's a bit of a warmish day. Again, I cannot read that. Maybe I can. Sailor's Grave Brewing, welcome to the Noble Society of Pudding Owners. He is called Albert, has thin arms and legs, and is a bad-tempered, ill-mannered so-and-so. His only pleasure is being eaten. In this case, drunk. So do your duty and drink the damn pudding. Magic Pudding beer, subtle, spicy, bready and cake aroma. Complex caramel and dried fruit notes with a selection of organic sultanas and Somerset raisins. Okay. Black gem currants and maru, whatever that is, from the mates at Murray Valley Organics. Brewed in deep southeast Sailor's Grave Brewing, Foster's Road, Orbost. That's not far from me. Oh my god. It's now I know where I've seen this before. Okay. Yeah. That's one brewery I haven't been to yet. It's one I haven't even considered yet. I was going to do some tastings on these guys later, but I haven't been able to find their beers. I'm really glad to see that. It's something from my local area. Well, it's a couple of hours drive from here, but it's local. It's still Gippsland. Right, we're going to open it. She's open. We'll smell it. Directly from the can. It smells pretty good. Nice and clean. I poured in the Headmaster glass that I've got here. I'm not advertising Headmaster glass, but now that we all know what it is, I just want to pour it in. Now, I've been saying that it's got carbonation, and Daniel Law said to me, I say something about carbonation, high carbonation. I actually go on the taste. When I talk about high carbonation, I actually mean the tasting of high carbonation, not what it does to my brew. And seeing all the carbonation brewing up and bubbling up in there, as you can probably see, those little nucleations are causing the bubbles to bubble nicely. So, really interesting. Anyway, smells nice and mildly hoppy. It does have that bready scent to it. It's caramelly, wheaty as well. But the hop is really standish. It's really nice. It smells like a fruity sort of smell. I don't know about the pudding side of it. I mean, pudding's normally chocolatey, isn't it? So anyway, we'll give it a taste. Interesting. Not bitter. Well, not overly bitter anyway. Very, very nice on the tongue. Very smooth in the mouth. I'm getting that bready taste. It's really nice. Sweet. Carbonation is just perfect. This one just seems to work. Gotta be careful, it's 5.8. And I have had a full glass of water before I started doing all this, just to give myself hydration before I drink too much. I might, mate, I can tell you it tastes good. They definitely got a bready taste. I'm really not tasting much more. Definitely malty, bready, not biscuity, more caramelly. Gorgeous, gorgeous flavour. Very, very, very smooth on the tongue. Very, what do you call it? Very soft tasting. It's really nice. Mate, the advent calendar from Brewery Brewers, absolutely awesome. And they've picked breweries around the place that not many people go to. I'm getting a small amount of bitterness now. Only a little bit on the back of the tongue. But really, 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 really nice. A subtle mix. It's all blended nicely. The smell is definitely caramelly, malty. It's really good. This is a good beer. Magic Pudding. I recommend this one, guys, if you want to sit back, relax, have a dessert meal, something really nice. This is great. Bloody beautiful. You guys at Sailor's Grave Brewing, I'm going to come and visit you one day. I hope to spend a day up in Orbost and have a look around. Absolutely awesome. Great stuff. That's a good beer. That is a really good beer. Alright. Very, very nice. Thanks, guys. Thanks for sharing this one. This is really good. I'm really wondering if these guys have actually grabbed the beers and tasted themselves before adding them into the calendar, and not just dumping whatever. There's not much of a use by date on that, but I'll tell you what, it's a really nice design can. Look, it's got some really good write-ups on it. It's really interesting. Yeah, got a bit of artistry. Nice. Have a look at the sailor skeleton there. It's absolutely brilliant. Love it. Really good. Alright. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for learning with me, and thanks for teaching me. It's been great. I've got one more to go. Christmas time, and I'm hoping it's a big one. Like I said, I don't know if I've said this before in my videos, I'm not looking at the beers before I do them. I'm grabbing the lids off as I go and pulling them out and just going, wow, what's this? This is interesting. I'm really actually doing this legitimately. So it's been a challenge to try and get it done every day, and I've been able to do it. I'm hoping tomorrow's going to be an easy one. I doubt it, because I've got my family over for dinner tomorrow night, and I'm working till close, so at my shop, so it's going to be hard. I'll be able to do it, but I might be a bit late tomorrow night, so hopefully not too late. Alright, guys, cheers. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you very much again for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and thanks for being part of this epic video making journey. Cheers, guys. See you again.